Hello friends, welcome to knowledgewala.com. So as we were discussing about arithmetic progression, so today I will continue on arithmetic progression and I will discuss some more example. So you will be more familiar with the type of questions they are asking in the examination. Okay, so before starting our exercise today, I just want to give the small, brief introduction about arithmetic progressions. So, as we already discussed, arithmetic progression is a set of sequences which are having some set of pattern. It is a list of number which are having some pattern. So, for example, we can say it is a 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma and so on. Okay, so this is called as a AP series. So if you see here, the difference between their conjugative number is same across. So 5 minus 3, always we will subtract the next number with the previous one. So 5 minus 3, that is 2, 7 minus 5, 2, and 9 minus 7, it's 2. Okay, so 2, 2, 2, it is across 2. So this is called arithmetic progression. Okay, so I will start exercise today. Okay, so exercise today is it is having 6 question. So question number A, question number B, question number C, D, E, and F. So I will try to explain each and every questions wherever questions are repeating the same kind of question. So you can continue by yourself. And if you are facing any problem, you can drop me a mail or comment in the blog. So I will reply the answer. Or if you are not understanding the concept using video, I will prepare some kind of detailed video for you. Okay, thanks a lot. So I will continue with question number A. So what question number A is saying? The question number A is saying write down the first 5 term of AP with first term 8 and common difference 7. So every time, as I already explained to you, first of all, we have to read the question carefully and understand what this question is given and what it is expecting. So, what is the answer they are looking for and what they have given in the question. So, if you read this question and you will understand what it is given. It is given the first term as a 8 and the common difference is 7, and it is looking for first 5 term of the arithmetic progression. Okay, so we have 2 things here. So we are knowing first term of the series. So first term of AP is given 8 and common difference is equal to 7. So these 2 things are given, and now what they are looking for. So they are looking for first 5 term, means first 5 term. Okay, so they are looking for this thing. So we read the question and we got it. These 2 things are available and they are expecting this answer. So if you remember, I already explained to calculate the nth term of AP series. The formula is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, what is A? So A is nothing but the first term. So first term is given 8. And what is n? N will vary, like n equal to 1, then n equal to 2, n equal to 3, 4, and 5. Now what is D here? D is called common difference. And here we have common difference as well. So we have the value of A as 8 and the value of D equal to 7. Now we will calculate the first term, Means we will put the value of n as 1. So we will calculate t1 equal to a plus, a means 8 plus n की value, the value of n is 1. So 1 minus 1 into d means 7. Okay, so how much? It's 8 plus 0. How it is 0? Because 1 minus 1 0 and 0 into 7 equal to 0. So here it is 8. So we got the value of t1. So value of t1 equal to 8 means it is a first term of AP. Now we will calculate the second term. The same process. What we will do? We will put the n value of n as 2. So we will set t2 equal to 8 plus 2 minus 1 into 7. Now it will be 8 plus 7. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into 7 equal to 7. Now 8 plus 7 equal to 15. So now we got the second term also. The second term of AP is 15. Now we will put the value of n as a 3. So what we will calculate? We will calculate T3. So T3 will be 8 plus 3 minus 1 into 7. So we will get 8 plus 14. Now we will get the value of third term. So the value of third term is 22. Now we will put the value of n as 4. So we will get the value of T4. So how much is T4? So 4 minus 1 into 7. So we will get 8 plus 3, 21. So we will get 29. Now we will calculate, put the value as a 5 to calculate the term fifth. So we will get T5. So T5 equal to 8 plus 5 minus 1 into 7. Okay, so we will get 8 plus 5 minus 1, 4, and 4 into 8, 28. So we will get the value here as a 36. Okay, so this is the thing. We calculated all 5 terms. Now we will write down here. So first term is 8, second term is 15, and 22, 29, and 36, and dot. Okay, and so on. So this is a AP series here. This is the AP. So this is our answer. So this is our AP. 8, 15. So you can see the difference. The difference is 7 across, and 7 is also given as a common difference here. Okay, hope you understand this question. So whenever they are giving first term and common difference, and they are expecting some kind of term, or they are expecting AP, then we will use formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so this is the formula here. We will use this formula whenever they want nth terms or they want AP series, and we will put the value of A, D, and N, and then we will calculate. We will get the AP. Okay, so we will move to second question. So what is this second question is all about? The second question is saying write down the first 5 term of AP with first term 2 and common difference is -5. Okay, this is also exactly the same question as the above one. So I will just calculate 2 terms and other you can calculate. So here if you see we have first term. I already explained to you. What is the first term called? First term is called A, and A equal to 2. And what is the value of D here? The value of D is -5. Now we will apply the formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So now we have to calculate the five term of AP. So we can put the value of n as 1 to calculate first term. So we will get d1 equal to 2 plus 1 minus 1 and bracket minus 5. So how much? So it will be 2 plus 0, as 1 minus 1 0 and 0 into anything 0. So we calculate the first term and first term is 2. Now we will put the value of n as 2. So we will get t2, and t2 will be 2 plus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 5. So we will get 2 plus, here we will get 1 and 1 into minus 5, minus 5. So here we will get 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. So here we get the value of t2. Okay. So in the same way, you can calculate t3, calculate the value of t4 and t5, and then you will get your AP. So your AP will be like 2 comma minus 3 comma minus 8 comma and so on. Okay. So this is your AP. This is your answer. Now I'm moving to the next question. So what is the next question? Okay. So I'm moving to next question. So what this next question is saying, see, what is the common difference of AP? 11 minus 1 minus 13 minus 25. So they are asking to calculate the common difference. Okay. Okay. So here the question number C, and series is given like 11 minus 1 minus 13 minus 25 and so on. And what they want? They want the value of D. Okay. I already explained you how to calculate the value of common difference. The next element minus the immediate previous element. So if you want to calculate the value of D, so you can say term n plus 1 minus T n. So this is the formula to calculate the common difference. Now we will put the value of n as a 1. So what you will get? You will get D equal to T2 minus T1. Okay. So what is the value of T2 here? The value of T2 means term number 2. So this is term number 2 and this is term number 1. So we will get the value like minus 1 minus and then 11. So there is no minus, so no need to break it. We can directly say 11. Okay, and we will get the value of minus. So this is the value of common difference. So this is the way to calculate the common difference. So the formula is term n plus 1 minus term n. So using this formula, you can calculate the common difference. Okay. Now moving to the next question. So what this next question is saying? Let's see. So question number D. What question number D is saying? Question number D is saying find the 17th terms of AP with first term 5 and common difference 2. Now they have two things. If you read this question carefully, they have given the value of A as 5 and the value of D as 2. And they are looking for 17th term only. They don't want AP. They want a specific term as 17th. So we will calculate here. What so what we know here? What are the inputs? So A is 5. So question number D. Okay, and we know the value of A first term as 5 and common difference as a. Okay, and what they want? They want T17. So this is our question. Now to calculate another term, I already explained. Use this formula. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into t. So put the value of n as a 17 and value of A and value of t. So we will get T17 equal to A means 5 plus 17 minus 1 into 2. So what we will get? 5 plus 17 minus 1, 16, and 16 into 2, 32. So we have 37. So we got the value of T17. The value of T17 equal to 37. Okay. So this is our answer. So whenever they want any another question and they have given the value of A and D, then use Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So this is the formula which we have to use. So remember this formula. This formula is very important in AP. There are many formulas, so I will explain later. So this is all about question number D. Now I will move to question number E. So what this question number E is saying? Let's see. Okay. So question number is saying write down the 10th and 19th terms of this series. I think this is a pretty much simple question. This is having two parts, first and second part. Okay, so I will explain one and one you have to do by yourself. Okay, so what it is given here? It is given series 8 comma 11 comma 14 comma and so on, and we have to calculate T10 and T19. So we will come here first. We will write down the series here. And question number E, first part. Okay, what is series? Series is 8 comma 11 comma 14 comma and so on, and we have to calculate T10 and T19. So these two things we have to calculate. Okay. Yeah, again the previous question, same as previous question, but in previous question A and D was given, but here they have given the series. So we will calculate the value of A. It is very simple. What is A? A is nothing but the first term in the series. So we will get A as a D. Oh, sorry, 8. Now calculate the value of D, and calculate the value of D is also very simple. This term minus this term, or this minus this, whatever it is. So we can say 11 minus 8, so it is 3. No need to write this kind of things in the exam. You can directly say 3. I just mentioned because uh, you can understand. Okay, now we will use this formula. Again the same formula, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we will put the value of n as a 10. So we will get T10 equal to 8 plus 10 minus 1 into 3, the value of D. So how much we will get? 8 plus 10 minus 1, 9. 9, 3 is a 9, so 27. Okay, so you will get the value of T10 as a 35. Okay, so this is all about T10. So you got the T10. So T10 is 35. Now we will put the value of n as a 19. So we will get again use this formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1. So value of n 19 a. What is the value of 8? A 8 plus 19 minus 1 into value of d is 3. Now how much? So 8 plus 19 minus 1 18. 18 into 3 54. So how much it is? So it is a 62. So T19 is 62. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, that's fine. So this is the question. Okay, the second part you have to do by yourself. Now moving to the next question. So what is this next question? Okay, let's see. Okay, so here, yeah, it is an interesting question. So this kind of questions you will get in exam. So an AP is given k comma 2k by 3 comma k by 3 comma 0 and so on. First part is saying find the sixth term. Second part is saying find the nth term. And third part is saying if 20th term is this, then find the value of k. Okay. So I will move one by one. This is question number F. I'm going to explain. Read carefully and find it out what is given in the question and what you have to find out. Okay. So first part, find the value of sixth term. Sixth term is nothing but T6. And series is given as a k comma 2k by 3 comma k by 3 comma 0 and so on. Okay, so we will move here. So this is a question number F. So what is this question number F is saying? Question number F part 1. So what is the series is given? So series is given k comma 2k by 3 comma k by 3 comma 0 and so on. Okay. First part to calculate the value of T6. Okay. To calculate the value of T6, I already told you the formula is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. But the thing is we don't know the value of A, D. So we will calculate first the value of A and D. So what is the value of A? We know very easily. We can get it. So first term in the series. So what is first term? It is called K. Now to calculate the value of D, we will calculate here and then we will remove. So D equal to this term minus this term. So we can say it is a 2k by 3 minus k. We can say 1 in the below. We can take LCM. We will get 2k minus 3k. Hope you know how it is coming. So we will get the value as a minus k by 3. So this is the value of t. Okay, remember it. In second part and third part, I am not going to calculate. So the value of k is minus k by 3. Now we will apply the formula. Put the value of n as 6. So we can say T6 equal to k plus 6 minus 1 minus k by 3. Okay, so here k. So here you will get 5. So minus 5k by 3. Here 5. So here if you take 3, you will take 3k minus 5k, and 3 minus 5 minus is greater, so you will get minus 2k by 3. So this is our answer. So we got the answer. Okay. So we got T6 equal to minus 2k by 3. So this is our answer. Okay. It is very easy. So we know the series. If you know the series, you can calculate the value of A and D and whatever number it is trying to calculate, just calculate it. Okay. So I'm moving to part second. Let's see what this part second is saying. Okay. So I'm removing this part for a time. Okay. So what second part is saying? Second part is saying calculate the nth term. I think it is also very simple. You can do it. Okay, I will calculate because it looks like a little bit generic. We already know the value of value of A and D, so we will directly calculate. So it is a second part. So series is k comma 2k by 3 comma k by 3 comma 0 and so on. Okay, the value of A equal to k and the value of D equal to minus k by 3, which I already explained you how to calculate, and value of n equal to n. So we can use formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Replace the value of A and D here. So k plus n is n, so no need to change here. So minus k by 3 k. Now multiply k by 3 inside with this term and with this term. So you will get minus nk by 3. Now this minus will be plus because minus into minus equal to plus. You will get k by 3 here. Now again you have to take the LCM. Take the LCM as 3, so you will get 3k minus nk plus k. I hope you know LCM things. Now Tn equal to now uh, 3k and k we can add as it is a rational. Nk we cannot do it right now because we don't know the value of n. So what will you will get? You will get 4k minus nk. Here you will get divided by 3. Now you will know as k and k is common in both the term, so you can take k as a common. So you will get value like this. Okay. So this is our Tn. Okay. So this is the way to calculate the Tn. Okay. Now I'm moving to the next question. So what this next question is saying? Next part. What is next? Third part. Third part is saying if T20 is equal to 15, then find the value of K. Okay, that's fine. Now what we know here? Now again the same thing. It is a third part. F question number. We know the series K comma 2k by 3 comma k by 3 comma 0 and so on. We know the value of A, K, and D we already calculated in previous question. And what we know? We know T20. So what is the value of T20? It is given 50. Now we have to calculate the value of K. Okay. So K value we have to calculate. So you know T20 is given. That means we can apply the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So now value of n equal to 20. And we know the value of A and value of k from our previous as well as we have mentioned in the top. So here we will get equal to k plus 20 minus 1 minus k by 3. You know the value of T20, it is given in the question and it is a 15. So we can say 15 equal to k. Now 20 minus 1, 19. And this is minus and this is plus. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 19k divided by 3. Now again the same thing, you have to take the LCM. So calculating here. So you will get 15 equal to 3. You will get 3k minus 19k. Now this 3 is here as a division. So we can say cross multiplication. So 3 will come here and 15 into 3. And here you will get minus 16k. Now here you will get 15 3 are 45 minus 16k. Now you have to calculate the value of k. So just stay with k here and whatever is there just move this side. So 16 minus 16 is a here multiplication. If you are transferring this to other side, it will come as a division. So it will come as a 45 divided by minus 16. And only k is left here. Now we can just write in a proper way. So the value of k is equal to minus 45 divided by 16. So minus here plus here. So we can write down minus as a common. Okay. So this is the value of k. This is our answer. Hope you understand. So this kind of question is very important. And I remember when I was in school, I used to get this kind of question in my examination. So k comma to k comma and term is given. So use this Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d and then use this. You solve the question step by step as I am uh, having this good thing. So if you are writing question and trying to solve the question line by line, then there's a very less number of chance to failure or difficulty in the last. You will understand even though examiner whoever is going to review your question, your answer, he will also understand very easily and quickly. So these two things are very important which I explained today. First, read the question carefully and find out what is given in question and what they are expecting. And the second term is explain the question thoroughly. Maybe people are thinking it is going to take time and it is a lengthy process which some students don't like. It is up to you, but I always prefer to write down or solve the questions in a step by step basis. Okay, thanks a lot. Hope you like this video. Uh, okay, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.